how motorcycle suspension works, upside-down forks versus telescopic. Tailored to show real-world, visual, and riding differences that matter to everyday riders. Welcome back to BikesMedia. Today, we break down the real difference between upside-down forks and traditional telescopic suspension, not just in theory, but in how it truly feels on the road. What are they? First up, what are we comparing? Telescopic forks are the most common setup you'll see on budget and mid-range bikes. They consist of two fork tubes that slide into the outer tubes during suspension movement. USD forks, on the other hand, flip the setup with thicker fork tubes on top and sliders at the bottom, seen mostly on performance bikes. Real riding feel. Here's where it matters. Telescopic forks are soft, easy to maintain, and perfect for daily commutes and moderate riding. But when it comes to aggressive cornering, braking stability, and track riding, USD forks are stiffer, more responsive, and handle load better. Weight and handling. USD forks reduce unsprung weight, which means better handling. You'll feel quicker steering inputs and more front-end feedback, something average riders will notice when pushing the bike a little harder. Maintenance and cost. Telescopic forks are simple, cost-effective, and easier to repair. USD forks, while superior in performance, are more expensive to manufacture and maintain. So unless you're riding hard, telescopics still make a lot of sense for daily use. Conclusion. So, is one truly better? It depends on how you ride. Daily commuter? Stick to telescopics. Love performance and corner carving? USD forks are your friend. Let us know what you prefer in the comments.